Welcome to Hollywood, the tinsel mecca.
Bullocks Wilshire. Welcome to Bullocks Wilshire, established in 1929. The beacon of beauty, elegance, and style on Wilshire Boulevard. Located at 3050 Wilshire Boulevard in Los Angeles, this is a 230,000 square foot Art Deco building. The architects were John and Donald Parkinson. While you're shopping, please remember to purchase a few postcards to send to the people back home. Bullocks Wilshire innovation was that it was one of the first department stores in Los Angeles to cater to the burgeoning automobile culture. It was located in a then mostly residential district. That way, shoppers could shop closer to home rather than going to downtown Los Angeles. Valets in parking service welcomed patrons and parked their cars. The exterior is notable for its 241-foot tower, whose top is sheathed in copper tarnished green. At one time, the tower's peak had a light that could be seen for miles around. The interior was designed by Eleanor Lemaire and Jock Peters of the Fale and Paradise Company. As you enter the gates, here are some of the faces you might have seen shopping. Greta Garbo, Mae West, Marlene Dietrich, Joan Crawford, John Wayne, Alfred Hitchcock, Clark Gable, Walt Disney, and working on the shop floor before she became Mrs. Potts, the wonderful Angela Lansbury. Miss Jean Harlow had her famous photo shoot here in 1933. Most everything is the same today as it was. Please pull forward and leave your car with the valet. Which floor, please? The elevators as they were when this beautiful store opened. And the same elevators as they are today. Here's a handy directory to choose which floors you need to go. Here are some of the models of Bullocks Wilshire, where you can sit and relax in a salon while you see beautiful products on live models. Here's the library, which at one point used to be the candy counters. Welcome to the perfume hall. Coveted fragrances from the finest labels. The Louis XVI room, designed by Eleanor Lemaire. This scene filmed at Bullocks Wilshire in the men's department. If the lady's buying, always go for the camel hair. Le Directoire. You'll recognize this from the photo shoot with Jean Harlow. She was standing right in front of it. Beautiful lighting was everywhere. Always remember to look up. Take a bite with Snow White at the tea room. Welcome to the tea room. An elegant setting with bright white linens, palms, and fine glassware. Please have a look at the extensive menu and enjoy a lovely meal at Bullocks Wilshire. Here's a mural by Jura Stahano called The Spirit of Sports. Ladies' accessories, women's department, a Parisian Christian Dior fashion show. Bullocks Wilshire would have carried gowns like this. First salon, the gift department, and exclusively for Bullocks, the Irene Salon. Irene was a famous designer in Hollywood who dressed the famous, the glamorous, and the actresses on the screen. Here's another fashion show, this time from the 1939 film The Women, with fashions from the designer Adrian. An ad from 1929. She looks so modern. The hand-tiled fifth-floor water fountain. A Herman Sachs mural, 1929. Get a saddle for your polo pony in the saddle room. The light above the Wilshire entrance. Imagine getting a wash and set at the beauty salon. You'd see fashion shows like this Dior show in Paris at Bullocks Wilshire. Remember to set your account with a Bullocks charge plate. Herman Sachs mural, 1929. Look at these fresh, sweet pastels in the tea room. Beauty and design everywhere. From the Irene Salon to the Chanel Salon. These murals are vibrant, as they are today as they were when they were painted by George de Winter in 1929. No need to cart your purchases home. Have them delivered. One last Herman Sachs mural. Thank you for watching. Bullocks Wilshire Building is on the National Record of Historic Places in Los Angeles. It is now occupied by the Southwestern Law School. Such as it is not open to the public daily, but you may show your support by joining the Friends of Bullocks Wilshire. The link will be in the description below. Each year, Friends of Bullocks Wilshire host an open house and service in the legendary tea room with a tour. Please remember to click like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to be notified every time we post a new video. Here's some suggested videos, and we'll see you soon driving through Hollywood.